Today we're going to test out this egg poacher from DAISO. So looking at the instructions here, it looks like you just have to crack the egg, pierce the yolk and put it in the microwave at 600 watts for 1 minute and 20 seconds and then drain. So let's try it out. Okay, so we're going to crack our egg into the container, but I want to put a bit of water in so it can float. Pop our egg on. And you see the guideline here? So we have to fill the water up to the guideline. Perfect. And then we need to get a fork to pierce the yolk so it doesn't explode in the microwave. And here we have a little Pokemon fork from the Pokemon Cafe that we got from Japan. So we're going to pierce the yolk a few times. Okay. And then let's pop it in the microwave. Now I've got a 1000-watt microwave. The instructions say to set the microwave power at 600 watts for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So based on my 1000-watt microwave, I'm going to need to set it at 60% power. So adjust accordingly if your microwave has a different wattage. Okay, in she goes. Okay, so be careful, super hot. Let it drain a little bit. That's perfect. That's awesome. Highly recommend. This is the DAISO microwave poacher. It's awesome. Save yourself some money from eating the same thing at the cafe. Now we got to make hollandaise sauce with some bacon. Cool. See you later, guys.